Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Wii U. Unfortunately, the straightforward answer is that you cannot directly play Fortnite on a Nintendo Wii U. Epic Games, the developer, never officially released the game for this console. This means there is no version of Fortnite available for download or installation on the Wii U system itself, making it impossible to experience the game natively. There are several key reasons why Fortnite isn't available on the Wii U. Primarily, the console's hardware specifications are simply not powerful enough to run a graphically intensive and constantly updated game like Fortnite. It lacks the robust processing power and advanced graphical capabilities found in newer systems. Additionally, the Wii U's online infrastructure is different from the platforms Fortnite supports, posing further compatibility challenges. While the Wii U isn't an option, you have many other excellent platforms to enjoy Fortnite. The game is widely available on modern consoles such as PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X and S, and Nintendo Switch. You can also play on personal computers, as well as Android and iOS mobile devices. Furthermore, cloud streaming services provide another way to access Fortnite on various devices with a stable internet connection. In summary, playing Fortnite directly on a Nintendo Wii U is not possible because the game was never developed for that console. The Wii U's technical specifications and online services do not meet the requirements for Fortnite. We recommend exploring the many officially supported platforms, like the Nintendo Switch or other current generation consoles, to enjoy the full Fortnite experience with all its features and updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.